morning. This is our 4 days exercise. Parang maambon pa. Maambon. Here. Let's walk again. Walk and run. Hi. Good morning. Thank you for joining. Morning, good morning. Nakakalik ka dito. Come here. Habis na. Say hi.
Hello.
Hi. Good morning. Say good morning.
Morning.
Tapos na ko sa YouTube. TikTok na tayo, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Ayan, maambon. Sana isa. Takbo. I have a flower. This is real. Yeah. Real. Yeah. See? I'm a little beautiful. Charis. Grabe pawis ko. Shout out everyone. Thank you for joining, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, good morning. Oh my God. Dumidikit yung anak. Asan na isa? Layo. Kangalay. Matapon sila dun. Asan sa'yo? Please do tap, guys. Thank you so much. MC, shout out. Good morning. Sino? Alfred, hello. Welly, hello, shout out. Edna, hello, shout out. Good morning, guys. Please tap the screen. Thank you. Ayan. Direct mo na water. Mag-bike lang ako. Makangalay. MC, thank you. Drink water. Small lang, wag mo lahat.
Are you jumping out? I cannot do that, bro.
Ayan.
Whoa.
Jump, jump, jump.
Whoa, whoa. I
Yeah.
want my turn, my turn. You want? How can I do that?
Grabe.
Show me how you do it. Mas pinatali mo pa.
Wine shop, good morning.
Let's go exercise like this. Like this, like this. Like you're gonna push this and you're gonna jump. And like this. And
Grabe.
the final touch. And the final touch. Paano ba?
Aray. Ay.
Oh, you're jumping!
Nag-jump na siya. Nag-jump na gano'n na sila. Nag...
Let's go play that game, bro. Pwede ka?
Hi, Hadi. Good morning. Please stop the screen, guys. Thank you so much.
You wanna play that one? I don't know that. What's the one? What? This is this thing. Ivan.
Oh,
Baby.
ah,
I was playing
Hi.
the same one. Yes,
Hi.
I was playing the
Boys is playing in badminton.
I was playing. Why I'm not seeing badminton in your house? If you don't see it, then I was playing.
hi.
Somebody, go over there. Four.
Ah,
Oo. That is yung hindi yung
Dito kayo, oh, dito kayo.
Dito kayo sa side.
Wag dyan kasi may ano dyan.
you know how to play.
Si Mayor, ah.
Now you're stuck.
Bye-bye, guys. Kuminit ako. Oh, wait lang. How can I end?